Next, we go back to the home page, and for second step here, we go to Mylab&Mastering and follow these steps. Mylab&Mastering, open Mylab&Mastering. When you open that for the first time, it will ask you to register, so you go through the process of registration before you come to this page. When you come to this page, you click on the announcement, and right here where it says My Stat Lab or My Lab browser check, you check the browser, and if need be, you install some programs. Now you're ready to do your work. There are two main links here: announcement, assignments, homework, and multimedia library. I'm going to start with multimedia library. So over here, we can find animation, chapter review, flowchart, multimedia textbook, PowerPoint, section video lectures, you name it. So if we pick a chapter, okay, let's say we're going to pick section video lectures as well as the multimedia, and find now, notice this is the multimedia textbook. If you click on any of them, it takes you to the section of interest, and depending on your browser, it may be fast or slow. And over here on the right side, so it's coming up. Over here on the right side, we have the section video lectures, none of which is long. And this is what you watch and take notes. Now, it brought the text up, and you can scroll down or you can go to a specific page. So I'm going to close it for now. The main thing, as I mentioned, is the assignment and homework. When you go to this link on the left side, you see the due date. And again, obviously the due date will be different for your course. So when you start a homework, it's important to see what you get. You get a bunch of videos. I've put all those section videos here in case you don't start with multimedia. And you can't do any of the homework questions unless you go through those, and it doesn't take long, but I have gone through that and the questions now are available. So if I'm interested to find a question that has all the help available, okay? So if we look at these questions, under the question help, you see a bunch of help. Let me see if I can find a good one. Okay. If you look at this one, for example, it says, help me solve this. Not all of them have that available, but help me solve this. If you click that, it will go through the question step by step, and then you can do a similar question to get credit for. When you're done, you can submit it or save it. There is no time limit as to how long it takes you to do the homework or the number of times that you can take it. I keep the best score as long as it's done by the due date.